The DriveWealth team recently hosted an event at the NYSC with their partners Base 10 and students from CodePath to showcase exactly how important financial education is to catapulting both professional and personal growth. We're going to talk more about it with the CFO of DriveWealth on this episode of Taking Stock.
DriveWealth is a brokerage as a service provider, and we build technology through a set of modern APIs that allows our partners around the world to build trading functionality into their apps. And the trading functionality can be as simple as self-directed stock trading or a managed portfolio that rebalances to something more sophisticated and innovative like swiping a credit card and rounding up the purchase to the purchase of a slice of stock.
Can you tell me more about your clients and companies that make up your B2B client base?
We actually have a pretty extensive global footprint of clients. The majority of our clients are actually located outside the US, but trading US stocks, originally mostly equities, but we've expanded our asset classes to mutual funds, options, and fixed income as well. And we have partners like banks and broker-dealers like BTG Pactual in Brazil, wallets and sort of super apps like Cash App in the US or Toss Securities in South Korea, Revolut in Europe, and asset managers like MoneyLion and consumer applications.
How many investors would you say that you serve?
We serve millions of clients directly on our platform, and through the user bases of our partners, those are measured in hundreds of millions.
Can you explain more how you make, investing more accessible for smaller investments?
You can invest notionally, so instead of saying I want to buy one share of Apple, the users can say I want to buy $1 of Apple. And what it allows you to do is buy a smaller piece of maybe a more expensive stock that you might not have enough capital to invest in. For example, if you wanted to own a piece of the top 10 technology companies, for a user that doesn't have a couple hundred or $1,000 to invest in that collection of stocks, they could put a proportional amount ranging from as small as a penny up to multiple shares worth into their investment, and we think this provides access to people who otherwise wouldn't have access to the markets.
A lot of important work. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Jason.
Thank you very much.